Hello everyone, it's evening here at Let's Do Bonsai. We've just loaded up the second grow tent. There's still more to go in there, but I just wanted to give a quick preview of what we're looking at. I've taken the blackouts off the front so that we can see what's in these grow tents. Look more like bonsai vending machines. So in the new one we have Harry's plants. I've put them at the top just out of the way. We have a Christmas or Easter cactus there that we're going to slowly lift up. It's beginning to flower, as you can see. There's a trident maple there in the back that's still going, so I've put that into the tent. The Dracaena that's doing rather well, coming back from being cut. My single jade doing well. I've put the Chinese elm in because that seems to need some sort of recovery. It's not been doing too well over the summer, but what we might do now we've got the tents and the light and the temperature and everything, we may well repot that soon. To try and make sure that it's not root bound and being cramped up inside the pot. We have a crown of thorns there at the front. We have a Sargatia Chinese plum there that's done quite well. We've got a rather sad looking Sargatia Chinese plum there. It is growing, but when I came back off a trip, a lot of the branches have died. We're definitely going to do some pruning and repotting of that one so that we can get rid of all the dead branches and all the dead foliage that's going on in there. We'll get that repotted. The Portula Carrier Afra Forest is in there, so that'll be getting some nice light. We have a jade in training there, and then we have the two ficus plants there. We'll probably do something with those as well now that we've got the grow tents. But the seedlings in the original tent continue to thrive, continue to do very well. We've got new growth still coming out, so that's excellent. So they're all doing really good. The fig ficus seedlings are doing really well also. The new Thompson & Morgans are there at the front. They'll be some time before they do anything, but if we look into there we can see the Delonix Regia is coming up really nicely. The Picea Abyss has got 3 shoots come up, 3 seedlings have come up. The Pinus aristata, we've got 2 in there. I think I'm going to give them a quick water. They're looking a bit dry. If we just go inside the tent, we have some of the seedlings from the other kits which I'm going to do some updates on, but they're coming through. And behind that we have a nice bunch of pines coming through in that one, and then in this one the Italian cypress, we've got 3 coming up in there, so we're getting some nice growth off of these. And I just, as I was filling up, I thought I'd give an update. We seem to have lost one of the blue jacarandas. It wasn't looking very good yesterday, and it's not very happy today either. The maples here, I am going to take them out and put them into the greenhouse for overwintering. They didn't come back up as I wanted them to, and I don't want to kill them off totally, so we'll get them put into the greenhouse for overwintering and they can come back in the spring. But yeah, some really nice growth coming out of that. So I just wanted to show a quick update of where we're at with those, and we'll do some proper updates of the kits shortly.